This is our TPP260R blister packing machine. Can pack capsules, tablets, pill and so on. Servo motor traction 0 error. Easy to operation, change modes only 10 minutes. Cooperated with Fortune 500. 15 days delivery. 3 years warranty. Any questions, please contact us.
The model in front of you is the PP250 blister packing machine. This model is characterized by high productivity and steady function. In this video, the blister dimension is 57 by 90 millimeters and you can get 4 blister sheets per punch. So the maximum capacity could reach to 3,200 blisters per hour. If you produce smaller blister sheet, the capacity will be higher. At the end of this video, we can see the outlet is different from the common one. Because our client needs it customized to connect this machine with cartoning machine for a complete blister packing line. For more information about the blister packing line, please feel free to contact us.
Blister packing machine is one of Grand Packing Machinery's main products. It can be widely used for all kinds of liquid and solid products, such as honey, butter, olive oil, capsule, tablet, syringe, etc. The machine working process: blister shape forming, product feeding, heating and sealing, cutting and output. It can connect with flow packing machine, cartoning machine, overwrapping machine, and case packer to be one for automatic production line. Blister packing machine is one of Grand Packing Machinery's main products. It can be widely used for all kinds of liquid and solid products, such as honey, butter, olive oil, capsule, tablet, syringe, etc. The machine working process: blister shape forming, product feeding, heating and sealing, cutting and output. It can connect with flow packing machine, cartoning machine, overwrapping machine, and case packer to be one for automatic production line.